Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to view company data through the acquisition funnel and acquisition pacer. On the left side of the dashboard, you will see visualization option. And when you hover over it, you will see two options, acquisition funnel and acquisition pacer. These acquisition funnel and acquisition pacer represent two different views of how would you prefer to view your data. Let's take a look at acquisition funnel first. In the acquisition funnel, you can fill in the columns you want to see the data for. First, select the date range between which dates you want to see the data. Select the data type, normal chart or progress chart. Then select the type of project segment and the type of version you want to see in. You don't need to select a country and state, but if you want more specific information, you may do so. The results will be displayed in the following stages: lead, inquiry, trial, quote, negotiation, and order. So this is how you can view your company data by using the acquisition funnel. Now let's have a look at the acquisition pacer. Using the acquisition pacer is another method of viewing leads. This option can be found below the acquisition funnel. Select the acquisition pacer from the menu. The details can be filled based on the specific information you wish to see, like you will need to enter the selected date range you want to see the data for. Select the project segment for which segment you wish to see the data and select the version. In case you are interested in receiving more specific information, you may fill in the country and state. Otherwise, this information is not required. In addition, if you wish to see any particular details of the project, you can select the project ID. These results can be viewed in the following categories: lead, inquiry, trial, quote, negotiation, and order. You can view any specific stage by moving the cursor over it, and this is how you can view the various data about your company using acquisition pacer and acquisition funnel. Thank you for watching.